When it comes to home improvement, few projects can enhance the comfort, aesthetics, and energy efficiency of your home as much as replacing your windows. One company that stands out in providing exceptional window replacement services is Jennings Window Replacement. Whether you are looking to upgrade your windows for better insulation or simply give your home a fresh new look, choosing the right professionals to get the job done is essential. Here are the top 5 benefits of choosing Jennings Window Replacement services. Expertise and experience. One of the key reasons to choose Jennings Window Replacement services is the company's vast experience in the industry. With years of expertise, the team at Jennings understands the ins and outs of window installation, from the latest technologies to time-tested techniques. This experience means that they can handle any project with precision and care, whether you're replacing a single window or outfitting your entire home. Their knowledgeable staff is well versed in the different types of windows available, including energy-efficient models, soundproof windows, and custom designs. This expertise ensures you'll receive high-quality work and the perfect windows for your needs. Enhanced energy efficiency. If you're dealing with drafty windows or high energy bills, replacing old windows with more efficient ones can make a significant difference. Jennings Window Replacement Services offers a variety of energy-efficient windows that help regulate the temperature in your home. Energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce heat loss during the winter and keep your home cool during the summer. By choosing Jennings, you not only improve the comfort of your home but also save on energy costs. Over time, the investment in high-quality windows can pay for itself by lowering your utility bills. Improved home value and aesthetic appeal. New windows can drastically improve the appearance of your home, giving it a fresh, modern look. Jennings Window Replacement Services offers a wide selection of styles, colors, and materials to suit your home's architectural style. Whether you prefer the classic charm of wood windows or the sleek, low-maintenance benefits of vinyl, Jennings can provide the right solution to enhance your home's curb appeal. A stylish window replacement not only makes your home more attractive but can also increase its market value. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to enjoy a more beautiful space, investing in new windows is a smart decision. Professional installation and guaranteed satisfaction. At Jennings Window Replacement, professional installation is guaranteed. The team is highly trained and committed to ensuring that each window is installed correctly, with attention to detail to avoid issues like leaks, improper sealing, or drafts. This level of care ensures that your windows will perform optimally for years to come. Furthermore, Jennings offers warranties on their products and services, giving you peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. The company's dedication to customer satisfaction means that they will go above and beyond to make sure you're happy with the final result. Cost-effective and affordable options. Jennings Window Replacement Services provides a range of window options to suit various budgets. Whether you're replacing a few windows or upgrading your entire home, Jennings offers affordable solutions without sacrificing quality. They understand that home improvements can be an investment, and they strive to make their services accessible to homeowners in all price ranges. Additionally, by choosing energy-efficient windows, you'll start saving money on your energy bills almost immediately, making the overall cost even more manageable over time. The combination of affordable pricing, professional service, and high-quality windows makes Jennings a great choice for homeowners seeking value for their money. Conclusion: when it comes to replacing your windows, Jennings Window Replacement Services stands out as a top choice for homeowners who want quality, efficiency, and peace of mind. With their expert installation, wide selection of energy-efficient windows, and commitment to customer satisfaction, choosing Jennings will help you improve the comfort, appearance, and value of your home. Whether you're focused on saving energy, enhancing your curb appeal, or ensuring long-lasting durability, Jennings provides all the benefits you need for a successful window replacement project.